Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome LO3, understand the principal factors that may vitiate a contract. Today we will learn what factors can invalidate a contract. This session explores the key elements that may vitiate a contract, making it void or unenforceable. From mistakes to misrepresentation, we will examine how these factors impact the validity and enforceability of legal agreements. Capacity is crucial in contract law. Minors and those with mental incapacity have limited ability to enter contracts. Contracts with minors are often voidable unless for necessaries. Mental incapacity can void a contract if known by the other party. Intoxication may also affect contractual capacity. Mistakes can vitiate contracts by affecting the agreement's foundation. Common mistakes involve shared incorrect beliefs about a fundamental fact. Mutual mistakes occur when parties misunderstand each other. Unilateral mistakes involve one party's error, exploited by the other. Each type has distinct legal consequences. Misrepresentation involves false statements inducing contract entry. Fraudulent misrepresentation is knowingly false, leading to rescission and damages. Negligent misrepresentation lacks reasonable care for truth. Innocent misrepresentation is honest but incorrect. Remedies vary based on the type of misrepresentation. Duress involves coercion to force contract entry. Physical duress includes threats of harm. Economic duress affects financial interests. Contracts signed under duress are voidable. The coerced party can choose to affirm or rescind the agreement. Undue influence abuses a position of trust to sway decisions. Actual undue influence involves direct manipulation. Presumed undue influence arises in trusted relationships. Examples include parent-child or solicitor-client dynamics. Contracts under undue influence are voidable. Illegal contracts are void and unenforceable. These include agreements for criminal activities. Contracts violating statutory provisions are also void. Public policy violations can render contracts unenforceable. Courts protect societal interests by voiding such agreements. Frustration occurs when unforeseen events make performance impossible. The event must not be the fault of either party. Examples include destruction of subject matter. Contracts are discharged without fault. Frustration ensures fairness in unforeseen circumstances. Contracts are discharged when obligations are fulfilled. The entire performance rule requires full completion. Substantial performance may allow for payment with deductions. Exceptions exist for minor defects. Performance discharge frees parties from further obligations. Parties may mutually agree to end a contract. This can happen before or after performance. Mutual discharge releases both parties from obligations. Release with consideration involves compensation. Agreement discharge relies on mutual consent. Breach occurs when a party fails to perform obligations. Actual breach happens at the time of performance. Anticipatory breach is a prior indication of non-performance. The innocent party can terminate or claim damages. Breach discharge provides remedies for non-compliance. Lack of capacity affects contract enforceability. Minors and mentally incapacitated individuals have limited capacity. Contracts with minors are voidable unless for necessaries. Intoxication may also void contracts if understanding is impaired. Capacity ensures parties can legally consent. Illegality renders contracts void and unenforceable. Contracts for illegal activities cannot be upheld. Public policy violations protect societal interests. Examples include contracts, restraining trade, or promoting immorality. Courts void such agreements to uphold legal standards. Undue influence often occurs in family and professional settings. In family relations, trust can lead to manipulation. Professionals may exert undue influence over clients. The dominant party must prove no undue influence occurred. Relationships of trust require careful scrutiny. Void contracts are unenforceable in court. Parties cannot claim damages from void agreements. Restitution may prevent unjust enrichment. Exceptions exist if one party is unaware of illegality. Void contracts protect societal and legal norms. Misrepresentation allows for rescission or damages. Fraudulent misrepresentation leads to full compensation. Negligent misrepresentation offers damages under common law. Innocent misrepresentation may result in rescission. The Misrepresentation Act provides a legal framework for remedies. Mistakes can void contracts if fundamental. Common mistakes involve shared incorrect beliefs. Mutual mistakes mean no true agreement exists. Unilateral mistakes involve one party's error known by the other. Remedies include rescission and damages for reliance losses. Frustration discharges contracts when performance is impossible. The event must be unforeseen and not parties' fault. Examples include destruction of subject matter or illness. Frustration ensures fairness without fault. Contracts are discharged, freeing parties from obligations. Duress involves threats or pressure to force consent. Undue influence exploits trust or dominance to sway decisions. Both render contracts voidable by the aggrieved party. Duress lacks automatic presumption. Unlike undue influence, courts assess legitimacy of pressure or trust. Legal frameworks guide remedies for contract issues. The Misrepresentation Act provides for rescission and damages. Common law principles address mistakes and capacity issues. Courts ensure fairness by assessing each case's circumstances. Remedies protect parties' rights in contractual disputes. In conclusion, understanding vitiating factors is essential in contract law. Elements such as mistakes, misrepresentation, duress, undue influence, and illegality significantly affect the enforceability of contracts. Legal frameworks are designed to ensure fairness and protect the interests of all parties involved. By recognizing these factors, contracts can be upheld as both fair and lawful, safeguarding individuals against unjust or inequitable agreements. For any assistance, WhatsApp us at 074843616888 and a team member will be happy to respond. We can't wait to see you at the next session.